This is the most wonderful time of year, but it is also one of the most stressful. There's so much going on. It is really hard to stick to our healthy routines and feels almost impossible to do all of the fun stuff and still feel like you have time to work out and eat healthy. But on Monday the 28th, I'm starting my Holiday Survival Challenge, and that is what it is all about. Me giving you the tools you need to be able to indulge and enjoy your holiday season, but also stick to a routine that makes sense for you. Every day you're gonna have workouts in my Move app that are gonna be 30 minutes or less. So quick little workouts you can literally do anywhere. So even if you're back at your parents' house in your tiny little room and you only have this much space and no equipment, I got you. The best part is right now, if you are new to my Move app, I'm giving you 30 days for $1. And the reason I did it for $1 is because it's a holiday, so I wanna give you a really great deal. But instead of doing it just for free, I wanted to make sure you had some skin in the game and some accountability. And even if it's only $1, you are more likely to show up for yourself and hold yourself accountable when you put that down and you bet on yourself in that way. In the app, you're gonna have your daily workouts for the challenge, plus a fun bonus move that are very like holiday themed and cute. I love these ones so much. And again, it's about 30 minutes. You can break it up too to fit into your day, but it's a really good way to get your day started, especially if you're traveling, if you're home for the holidays, if you have some extra time off, and know that you've established that baseline in your day, and anything else you do is like, cool, but like you already have had like your healthy start to the day, which is awesome. Throughout the challenge, I'm also gonna be giving you tons of delicious, healthy holiday recipes, sharing more on my Instagram and TikTok. I shared a few here on YouTube last week with you, and if you haven't already downloaded my Holiday Survival Guide and Recipe ebook, you need to get this ebook, you guys. It's crazy. Right now, we have amazing Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals too, so the whole site is 25% off, so you can get the guides 25% off. So I'll put the link for those below. But this has like 30 of my favorite holiday recipes. It's all of your guys' favorites and side dishes. There's like cocktails and desserts and like donuts. There's so much in there. Plus there's really fun activities like cute hostess gift ideas, tips for how to host a party, how to navigate parties with your nutrition so you can, again, indulge a little bit but not overdo it and kind of know where to start. Because for me, like going into the holidays, I wanna have fun. I'm gonna have all the extras, but I don't wanna feel guilty about it. So knowing kind of where to make those choices, how to make little swaps is really important. That's gonna be a part of this challenge for you as well. Every week, I'm gonna be giving you routine builders that have not only tips for healthy routines to help you really manage your time and reduce your stress, but also ones just for the fun holiday stuff, like when to wrap your presents, when to do your budgeting, like all of that kind of stuff to help you, again, just reduce any anxiety so you can really just enjoy yourself, enjoy your friends and your family through this very special time of year. And because it's the holidays, obviously there's gonna be giveaways because I want to have a way to say thank you to all of you girls for everything you've done this whole year, being a part of the Love Sweat Fitness community here on YouTube, on Instagram, everywhere, doing the workouts and coming together. And even if you're new, then it's just a way to say welcome. So every single week I'll have giveaways. I'll be sharing all the details on Instagram and in the community channel here. So make sure you're following at Love Sweat Fitness, that's me. At Team LSF is our community page where you'll find the entire LSF community, lots of fun tips for the challenge itself. So definitely go follow that page and search the hashtag Team LSF. It is a great way to find and connect with other Love Sweat Fitness girls that are doing the programs, that are a part of it with you, here by your side and ready to support you every step of the way. And girls, this is my first challenge back after having my baby, little baby Luke. He is here and I am ready to get after it. I need your accountability. I want you to do this one with me. I know together this is gonna be such an incredible way for us to finish this year strong and feel so good going into 2023. No one wants to go into the new year feeling like sluggish and gross and like you have to completely start over because you've just spent the last 2 weeks like going way overboard, right? We're gonna find a balance together throughout this challenge. So hit the link down below, get signed up. You'll have all the details there. And as soon as you do, I'm gonna send you an email, and in that email, you'll find a cute graphic that says, I will survive. I want you to save that to your phone, go over to Instagram, post it on Instagram, and tag me at Love Sweat Fitness. That is our way to stay accountable to each other. That's your way of telling me like, Katie, I'm in, I'm doing it with you, I got you. I will come and give you some encouragement, and we are gonna do this together. All right, girl, I love you so much. I can't wait to get started again Monday the 28th. So go enjoy your Thanksgiving and let's get after it.